Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about what's new in Odoo 19 rental module. Let's dive into the rental module and let's consider a product. So here, I would like to consider the product as a hotel room view of the seaside. And here you can see that as we just want to treat a product as a rental product, we just need to enable the rentals from here. And as we just want to just plan this as a service, you always ensure that you have enabled the sales checkbox over here. If you're not enabling the sales checkbox, you will be not getting the options such as the invoicing policy, create an order, as well as the plan as services. So if you want to plan as a service and to plan the shift for the orders for the employee who have this role, you just need to enable the sales checkbox over here. Now you can also set the prices over here, and you can also just order the rooms from the website. So you just need to publish this room in the website. So once everything is done, you can just move on to the website, and here we have the room. So here you would be able to see that we have the uh, room view of the um, seaside, as well as when you just move on to the products again, here under the rental, you would be able to see that we have the rental prices. So under the rental prices, we have an option called nightly, where you can just move on to the period, and here you would be able to see the night unit as nights, as well as the check-in period and checkout period. Now let's move on to the website and let's see how can we just make a booking for this. So upon moving on here, you would be able to see the dates over here that's available. So currently, when you just change the period from here to the previous dates and everything, you can see if the room is not available, you will not be able to add the room over here. So here you can see that the return dates should be after the pickup date. So currently we have just given it as 11/28/2025, and we just need to change the return date. Okay, so let's set it as 29. Okay, so here it comes the invalid operation as there is that after the pickup date. So let's provide it as first. And here you can see that the product is not available on these selected period. So if you want to just select the date here, you can just change it and let's set it. So under this, let's set it as second, and under the return period, let's set it as fourth. Okay. So if the dates are available here, you can see that we have currently added for 2 days, and it will be 800 per night. It will be 400, and as we just select 2 nights here, you can see that we'll be getting 800 as total. Now we can just add to the cart, and here you would be able to see how we are just going to do the checkouts and everything. So here we can just pay with demo, and here let's click on pay, and we have made the payment successfully over here. Now we can also just manage with the booking directly from here. So if you want to directly manage the booking from here, you can just set a menu. So if you want to create a menu like this, what you have to do is you can just click on the edit button, where you can see that we have the option that's a hamburger icon, and upon choosing the option here, you can we have the option where we can add the menu item. You can click on add menu item and provide it. So currently I have just added a menu called booking, where you can see the pencil icon. Upon clicking that, you have to provide the link, or that's the URL of the page over here. So once you just provide it, you can directly move on to the booking upon clicking on the booking section. Okay, so let me save the changes that we have made. Now you can also manage the rentals from the planning module. So upon moving on to the planning module, here you can see that we have the different rooms over here. So you would be able to see that as we just create the bookings, you would be able to see all those things over here. Okay, now currently it's been based on today, and if you want to just get things based on months, you can also just get it. So you would be able to see the months over here. If you want to just change it as a quarter, you can also just change further changes over here. And now here you can see that we have different rooms over here. So currently this is booked, and if you want to again just book the room with another date from the planning, you can easily just do that. So here we can see that we have the date, and the time has been given over here with the role as a seaside room, and you can also see the allocated time over here. So upon clicking on new order, you can see that the order will be created by adding the rental product over here, where you can choose the customer. Let's say the customer is deco addict, and you can just save it and confirm the order. And here you can see that we have currently just done with the planning. And if we want to create like as we have just done with the booking, we'll be getting a button called booking over here. And if we want to just do with the pickup, you that means returning, we can also just do that. That means once we settle in the room or check in the room, once we use the service, we may check out the room, right? So to manage with it, you can just go ahead with the pickup. So upon moving on to schedule by resources, you would be able to see how the resources is being scheduled over here. Everything can be viewed. Now, likewise, we can also create a booking from the sales. So let's move on to the sales, and here let's click on new, and let's imagine that we can also just book the rental if I'm managing with the event product, and that will be linked to the project module. Let's say event management. So upon moving on to the event management, here you can see that here we have set it as sales rental. Okay, and and we'll be setting the product as service. And once the customer confirms the event management, we also just need to automatically create a project. So currently in Odoo 19, it is also possible to create managing of the rental project through the rental. So upon the confirmation of the quotation, here you can see that it's been recorded, and here you can see that the project has been created. And let's move on to it. Okay, uh, let's move on to the project module. So in the project module, here we can see that the project has been created for the Deco Addict. So once you choose it, you would be able to see that currently we don't have any task at all. So if you want to create any particular task, you can directly create it, or upon the creation of the sales order itself, we can just set the creation of the task automatically, where you can also assign the assignees over here. And if you want to make any further edits, you can also just do that. So once everything is done, you can just move on to the show sub menu and top menu, and you can choose it. So upon moving on to top menu, you would be able to see all the top menus over here. Here you can see that the project has been created, like the task is manually created. Now let's move on to the sales module, and let's consider the product, which is the event management. And under the event management, let's change the create on order as the project and task. So once it's been selected, and when you create a sales order, you can see the difference that the task and project will be created. So I'll be considering Openwood as the customer, consider the product, and click on confirm, and you will be able to see the project and task is separately created over here. So here you would be able to see that the task is created as event management. And upon moving on to top menu, you can see that we'll be able to see the top menu, which is the rental orders, and you can also get that. Okay, so this is how we manage with the rentals through the project. So these are the improvements that we can find under the Odoo 19 rental module. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.